as I flew out from DFW en route to the sprawling chaos of Mexico City. I found myself diving into a swirl of reminiscence. A whirlwind of art and eccentricity had descended upon Plush Gallery, where minds collided and creativity flowed. Durante mi vuelo, pensé en estas experiencias. In Oklahoma, an endless stretch of train cars morphed into the wild mosaic of Arkansas, where I found respite to reconnect with my sweet daughter. Yet as the wheels touched down that evening, those trials began to fade, replaced by the pulsating heartbeat of Mexico City. I love staying in Mexico City because I always find these cool ass places. One that I've always had a fantasy of staying at are the quarters on top of the apartments and commercial buildings, the azoteas where they do the laundry by hand, and the lavaderos. There are these cages where they hang the clothes on the tenderos, as well as these really small quarters where the domestic workers would live, the ones who would clean the apartments, who would do the cooking, and all of the work that would keep things running. They're super cozy. And finally I found one right next to Parque Chapultepec. That's where I'm staying on this trip to Mexico City. Really enjoying it. They have some of the best views because it's open to the sky. You get the fresh air. Sometimes you get some really great views from the rooftop. That's where I'm staying. That's where I'm at. We're gonna go walking in Parque Chapultepec here in just a little bit. It's just right around the corner from where I'm staying. Down the labyrinth of pasillos I went, stepping out onto the gritty streets, passing the kaleidoscope of tiendas, each a vivid brushstroke in the cacophony of this urban tapestry. First, I went to the subterráneo at the entrance to the metro para desayunar. Bosque Chapultepec beckoned, a sanctuary amidst the concrete jungle, a gasp of fresh air in this maze of a city. I surrendered to the embrace of nature's splendor before retreating to my enclave, there atop the world. La Azotea, a canvas of quirk and nonchalance, an eccentric abode perched high above it all. My mind, unburdened, drifted across borders, musing on the divergence of rooftops, the sharp angles of those stateside. A world away from these Mexican utopias, where toil and reverie harmonized in a colorful symphony, an occasional animal sheltering there. Memories resurface of rooftop escapades where the stage was sky high and creativity beckoned. Rain began to dance, a reminder that life's twists and turns are all a part of the ride. I really enjoyed this little respite, staying on the azotea of a building here in Mexico City, in close proximity to Parque Chapultepec. Until next week, hasta la próxima, mi amigos. Stay creative. Cuídate. Besos.
Vivían ricos tamales oaxaqueños. Me llegaron sus ricos y deliciosos tamales oaxaqueños. Acérquese y pida sus ricos tamales oaxaqueños. Hay tamales oaxaqueños, tamales calientitos.